morning, children. This video is for January 9th. We are doing the revision only. ncert solutions we are continuing. Exercise 1.5 question number 3 onwards. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, say d, that is pi equal to c by d. This seems to be contradict that the pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? There is no contradiction. When we measure a length with a scale or any other device, you are going to get an approximate rational value only. When pi equal to c by d means we may not be able to tell either c or d may be irrational only. So when we are going to do the scale measurement, we are going to get a rational value only, approximation only. We are taking pi value as 22 by 7. This is only for calculation. It's an approximate value. That doesn't mean that pi is a rational number. Here pi equal to c by d, so either c or d may be irrational. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. Let us see the steps first. Mark the distance 9.3 centimeter or units from the fixed point A on the given line and to the point B. That means AB equal to 9.3 units. From B, mark a distance of 1 unit and mark this point as a C. Next, find the midpoint of AC and the midpoint is marked as O. Draw a semicircle with the center O and radius OC. There is no need of writing the measurement and all, just we can go the steps only. So whenever we are having a 3 mark or 4 mark questions, we should write the steps. So first we have drawn the AB, that is 9.3 centimeter or unit. We have to say again we have to extend 1 centimeter, then draw the perpendicular bisector of the whole length, that is 10.3. then you will get the midpoint as a O. Then with O as a center, OC as the radius, draw a semicircle. If your semicircle is correct with A and C, it will pass us through. Then what is the next step? Draw a line perpendicular at B and draw an arc with the center B and a radius AC and which meet the number line at D. That means BE equal to BD equal to root 9.3 only. So we are locating root 9.3 on the number line. You can verify this by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us see the construction. Now you can see the construction already I have done here. AB is the length of 9.3 whereas AC equal to 10.3, that is after adding the 1 centimeter. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC which intersect AC at O. So we can get the midpoint of AC only. With O as a center, we have to draw the semicircle. If your construction is correct, we very well known that it passes through A and C only. What is the next step? Draw a perpendicular at B and this line is meeting at one point at here only, that is equal to BE. Now with B as center, BE as a radius, draw an arc of the circle which touch on number line at D only. So BE and BD equal to root 9.3 only. Already we have studied this construction and all. You can go the number system videos. In that stepwise we have explained it. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First question 1 by root 7. Second question 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Again third question 1 by root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 divided. Next question 1 by root 7 minus 2 only. So these are the question. Now let us see the solution. First question. Question number 1, that is 1 by root 7. So denominator you can see as a root 7 only. Rationalize the denominator means we should not get any rational number in the denominator. So for this question we should multiply and divide it with the root 7. So 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7, it is equal to root 7 by root 49. What is root 49? It is equal to 7 only. So our answer is root 7 by 7. Now you can check that the denominator is number is 7 only, which is is not a irrational number. We got a rational number only. So rationalize the denominator means we should remove the square root. That is, we should convert the irrational number into rational number only. So we got a rational number, that is 7 in the denominator. Question number 2, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Multiply and be divided by root 7 plus root 6 only. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6, in the denominator you can see that a minus sign is there. So what we should multiply and divide? Root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. That means numerator we will have 1 into root 7 plus root 6, that is root 7 plus root 6 only. But in the denominator it is in the form a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 means root 7 square minus root 6 square. That is only we have written in the next step. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 square minus root 6 square. So our answer is root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6. How we got 7? Root 7 square is 7, root 6 square is 6. So we got root 7 plus root 6 by 1. So if you compare the question, root 7 minus root 6, it's an irrational number, but after rationalizing the denominator, what we got in the denominator is 1 only, so it is a rational number. So after rationalizing the denominator means we should remove the root sign from the denominator. Now we are considering we are getting a number which is a rational. Question number 3, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So we should multiply and divide it with the root 5 minus root 2. How we deciding this one? Denominator sign is plus. So we are multiplying, dividing with the negative sign only. So root 5 plus root 2 we are getting multiply and divide with the, see that middle term is having minus sign. So root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. It is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. Again the same rule, we should write which rule? A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2 equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 square minus root 2 square. So it is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 3 only. So 3 is a rational number that we are getting in the denominator. So root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. So we got a rationalizing the denominator in this question also. 1 by root 7 minus 2. Again, negative sign, minus sign is in between root 7 and 2. We should multiply and divide with which number? Root 7 plus 2 only. So 1 by root 7 minus 2 equal to into root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. That is root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. That means it is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 square minus 2 square. It is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4. So what is 7 minus 4? It is 3. So our answer is root 7 plus 2 whole divided by 3 only. So all these questions we are done. That is the rationalizing the denominator only. It is easy questions only. Here it is given extra questions you can get from my first videos based on the number systems that you can refer. Next exercise 1.6. Question number 1, find 64 raised to 1 by 2. Second question, 32 raised to 1 by 5 and 125 raised to 1 by 3. Solution for question number 1. What is the question number 1? 64 raised to 1 by 2. So we have to apply the rule a raised to m by n equal to nth root of a raised to m, where a greater than 0. So 64 raised to 1 by 2. Always think about that where 64 can be written in the power of 2. So root 2 square root of 64 only. 64 raised to 1 by 2 means 2 come here. That means square root of 64. Square root of 64 means 8 square we can write. So we can take the answer without a root. It is equal to 8 only. Root of 8 into 8, that is 8 square. So 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 can be written as 8 square. So 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. That means it is equal to 8. So in this way also we can write it is only correct only. So what is the answer? It is equal to 8. Question number 2, 32 raised to 1 by 5. So again the same rule. What is the rule? A raised to m by n equal to nth root of a raised to m where a greater than 0. So 32 raised to 1 by 5 means fifth root of 32. So fifth root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So finally the answer is 2. Or otherwise what we can write, 32 raised to 1 by 5 can be written as 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 1 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So it is equal to 2 only. So our answer is 2 for this question. Question number 3, 125 raised to 1 by 5. Again the same rule, a raised to m equal to nth root of a raised to m. Here the number is 125 raised to 1 by 3. So cube root of 125. So cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 is repeated 3 times. So we can take out 1 5 out. Or what we can write, 125 raised to 1 by 3 means 5 cube raised to 1 by 3. That means 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. Our answer is 5. Question number 2. Find 9 raised to 3 by 2. Second question, 32 raised to 2 by 5. Third one, 16 raised to 3 by 4. Fourth question, 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. Solution 2. That is the first question. 9 raised to 3 by 2. So again the same rule, a raised to m by n equal to nth root of a raised to m. So we can write that square root of 9 cube. Square root of 9 cube means square root of 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So when 3 is repeated 2 times, then 3 we can take out. So again another pair is there, 1 more 3. 1 more pair is there, so 1 more 3. So 3 times 3 we can take out, that the answer is equal to 27. So 9 raised to 3 by 2 means the answer is 27. In another way also we can do, that is 9 raised to 3 by 2. 9 is, I told that whenever you are having this number, the denominator part you must take care of, that is 2. So 9 where we can express in the power of 2 only. So 9 raised to 3 by 2 means it is 3 square raised to 3 by 2. Right? 3 square only 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 they have written first, then again 3 square into 3 square whole raised to 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 in the power it will come. So 2 will get cancelled. Again 3 cube equal to, so the value of 9 raised to 3 by 2 will be equal to 27. 32 raised to 2 by 5. So here also in terms of 5 we should think how we can express 32 in terms of 5. That is definitely we know that 2 raised to 5 only. So now we can write that a raised to m by n equal to nth root of a raised to m only. 32 raised to 2 by 5. So fifth root of 32 square it is. So 32 can be written as 2 times of 2 is repeated 5 times. Again one more group, 2 is repeated 5 times. So since it is a fifth root, so 1 2 we can take out from this group. Again one more 2, that is equal to 4 only. So we can write another way, that means 32 raised to 2 by 5 means 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. So 5 will get cancelled. It is equal to 2 square and equal to 4. 16 raised to 2 by 4. 16 raised to 3 by 4. So we know that the same rule, a raised to m by n equal to nth root of a raised to m only. So fourth root of 16 cube only. 16 it is we can write as a 2 4 times. So 3 times to be repeated. So 3 groups you can see. From the 3 group we can take out 1 only. So because it's a fourth root only, it is 3 by 4 means fourth root. So 2 repeated 4 times. From that 1 2 we can take out. Again another group, 1 more 2, again 1 more group. So 2 into 2 into 2, it is equal to 8. Otherwise what we can write, 16 raised to 3 by 4 means 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. So it is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube equal to 8. So in this way also we can complete that one. So it's either which is the easiest method that you can choose. Fourth question, 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. 125 raised to minus 1 by 3 means we can write that 1 by 125 raised to 1 by 3. So 1 by 125 means 1 by 125 means 5 raised to cube will come in the denominator. So cube root of 1 by 125 means cube root of 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5 only. So other way what we can do, 125 raised to minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 cube raised to minus 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So it is equal to 5 raised to minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Question number 3, simplify 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 3 by 5. Second question, 1 by 3 raised to 3 3 raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 7. Third question, 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. And the last question, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Now let us see the solution. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. So the first rule of the exponents, a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5 means 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. We have to take the LCM. LCM is 15. So 2 raised to 2 by 5 means into 2 will come. So 2 raised to into 5 will come 2 by 2 raised to 10 plus 3 divided by 15 only. So it is equal to 2 raised to 13 by 15. 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 only. So I'll do the steps once again. Here 15 is the denominator. So here it should be multiplied with 5 and 5 here. So multiplied with 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 3 only, 5 3s are, so 10 plus 3, that is why 2 raised to 13 by 15. Second question, 3 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 7, that means very easy only, 1 by 3 into 7. So here 7 by 3 only. I'll show the steps. 1 by 3 into 7, it is equal to 3 raised to 7 by 3. Which rule we have applied here? A raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. Which rule we have to apply? A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. That means division rule. So a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So here base are same only. 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4 means 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. After taking the LCM 4 only. So 11 raised to 4. So 1 by 2 means into 2 will come. So 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1 only. So 11 raised to 2 minus 1 by 4. That means 11 raised to 1 by 4. So what is the answer? 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. It is equal to 11 raised to 1 by 4. The last question, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. That means the laws of exponents, which rule we have to follow here? A raised to m into b raised to m, that is a into b whole raised to m only. So 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2, 7 into 8 whole raised to 1 by 2, because the power is 1 by 2 only. What is 7 into 8? It is equal to 56. So 56 raised to 1 by 2. Furthermore, we cannot do anything because it's not having any root and all. So our answer is 56 raised to 1 by 2. So here I would like to say that whenever you are doing laws of exponents, rule must be specified. Almost all the questions are easy only from the exercise questions. So practice more, and this chapter you can do thorough revision, because the weightage for this chapter is 8 mark is there. So don't neglect this chapter. Practice more. Thank you.